The WordBay plugin lets you add targeted eBay listings to any page or post on your WordPress blog in seconds, so you can start earning from the eBay partner network straight away. Just add your keywords to your article, enclose them in the WordBay tags, and publish your post for instant results. WordBay features a templating system that allows you to switch templates or create your own. Want a stylish comparison shopping type listing? No problem. Want a minimalist look that blends right in with your blog? You can do that too. WordBay has many more great features, including a geo-targeting option, which detects your visitor's location and displays products from the relevant eBay site, greatly increasing your earnings potential. So what are you waiting for?